The dangers of purchasing business trade lines. There are no shortcuts in life. The same is true about building business credit, yet some people will try for a shortcut all the time. The top three areas where they try to game the system are buying trade lines, CPNs, credit privacy profile numbers, and buying shelf corporations. We'll look at trade lines. What does FICO say? A shadier version of piggybacking has been promoted by some CROs who offer to rent to their credit-challenged customers the trade lines of established account holders in an effort to boost their customers' credit profiles and scores. Click the link to learn more. What does Equifax say? Authorized user abuse occurs when low-risk primary card owners rent their trade lines with extensive credit histories, high credit limits, and solid repayment profiles to others, most times knowingly to fraudsters. Click the link to learn more. What does Experian say? Synthetic identity fraud is an epidemic impacting all markets. There is a strong focus on new and underbanked consumers, which can pose a large threat to your onboarding and customer management policies, and most importantly, overall profitability. Click the link to learn more. What does NAV say? Rarely does this turn out to be what it seems. The established credit lines may not be the type of funding the new business needs, and if lenders catch whiff of the new business owner trying to take advantage of this scheme, they can quickly shut those accounts down. It's usually shady, says NAV CEO Levi King. See www.nav.com/resource/business-tradelines. Let's recap. There are no shortcuts to success. We know fast and legal ways to build business credit. You will probably hear about some less than ethical ways to build business credit. Experts at the FBI, CRAs, and the Federal Reserve and more all say that no one should do this. CRAs and lenders are onto these unethical tactics. Don't fall for these scams. Buying trade lines is unnecessary, and if you're going to spend the money, why not just build business credit correctly? Contact us today to learn more about the dangers of purchasing business trade lines.